Hello everyone, in front of me is VIVO Y31 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, then find and select wallpaper, home screen, lock screen and wallpaper, and now mark wallpapers. Here just agree with all necessary settings, and now you can pick the wallpaper either from system ones. You can download more wallpapers, and also you can open your own photos if you do have anything on your device. It's brand new, so I don't have any. I'll pick from the default ones here. So let me go, for example, with this one. So you can just take a look, you can customize it a bit if you want to. Then you can also blur your wallpaper if you want to, but I'll leave it this way. Mark apply, wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. As you can see, it has been already applied on your home screen and also lock screen as we set it as well. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.